Hello everyone, my name is Fuechi and today I'm presenting my project called Smart Student Hub, an AI power system and task management system. Students often struggle with managing multiple assignments, deadlines, and study schedules, which lead to poor time management, stress, and missed deadline. To address this problem, I developed Smart Student Hub, a simple and effective web application that helps students organize their tasks, track their progress, and receive smart study recommendation. Now, let me walk us through this system. First, this is the interface of the application. A user can easily add a new task by entering the task title here, setting a deadline. Yeah, first of all, task title. Let's say here is English, and then a description. If he likes, he's working on the let's say figure of speech, and then setting a deadline, which let's say the deadline is 25th, and then a priority. A user can choose any priority, either low, medium, high, depending on user choice. Me, I go with medium, and click save to add tags. Once the tags is added, the tags appears in the tags list where user can view and manage all their assignment. Let's go to the dashboard. This is where user can see all the tags that has been added here. And from here, from the tags, user can tick completed, which help them to track their progress over time. From here, the user can tick that this work has been done, and then let's see what the dashboard looks like. Initially, our total tax was 1, and then completed was 0, and our pending was 1. But immediately we completed the project, uh, we now see that our pending becomes 0 and completed tasks become 1. And then we look at our smart recommendation. Our smart recommendation says, great job, your productivity is high, keep the momentum going. Is an encouragement to the students that is meeting up with the deadline. Just know that user can add multiple tags, and in as much as the user add multiple tags, the more he add multiple tags, the more the smart scheduler uh, classify the work based on date of submission. Let's add others. Let's say mass, and let's say description. The student loves to work on the study linear algebra, or he has been given assignment on linear algebra. And let's say the submission day is 28, and then let's say the priority is high, and then we save, and then let's go again and add. Let's say economics, and let's say the guy is working on demand and supply, and then let's say the priority is on the 27, and let's say the it's very low, it's a low priority, and let's add another one. Let's say maybe chemistry, and the user is working on uh, should I say reactive agent, and then let's set the priority let's say the same day with us, and then let's say yeah, medium and save. And let's see what our dashboard looks like. From our dashboard now, we can see that we have a total task of 4 has been added, and in the 4 tasks only 1 has been completed, and pending we have 3. And let's see what the smart scheduler is doing. The smart scheduler now tells the user to focus on chemistry. Remember that economics and chemistry are to be submitted the same date, but because chemistry has higher priority than economics, it has given economics first priority for a user to start with chemistry as the first assignment, and then followed by economics, since our highest priority is math, and then math is to be submitted in 5 days. It means that we have the chances to finish chemistry and economics, and then have chances to do our high priority tasks, which is math. So let's tick uh, let's see chemistry as completed and see what our smart recommendation will say, because presently our smart recommendation is telling us that try finishing one quick task first to build momentum and raise your completion rate. Yeah, so let's go to tags and then mark chemistry as completed, and let's see what our dashboard looks like. Because chemistry is completed, our smart recommendation shows that your workload looks balanced, review your notes and maintain your current study rhyme. So it means that user is following the recommendation of the system, and at the same time meeting up with the deadline. The smart recommendation is now encouraging the student to get more momentum to follow up the deadline of the project. Now let's say okay, since we see economy is a low priority and is to be submitted in 4 days, and we decided to start with maths, let's see what our smart recommendation will tell us when we completed maths. So mass is tagged as completed. Let's see our dashboard. Our dashboard now says great job, your productivity. That is from the smart recommendation, says great job, your productivity is high, keep the momentum going. But now remember that we are left with economics in 4 days to submit, and then our productivity score is 75%, showing that there are still pending jobs that we have not done. And then he's saying that completing a few more tasks will boost your score. It's encouraging the student that if the student complete more assignment, it will boost his score. All right, so now let's also mark our economic as completed and see what our smart recommendation will be. Let's see our dashboard. Our smart recommendation now says great job, your productivity is high, keep the momentum going. And then our productive score say excellent consistency, you are staying on top of your work. It means that now our productivity score is showing 100%. It means that all tasks have been completed. And then our smart study scheduler says you are all caught up. Use today to review notes or plan ahead for upcoming classes, because tax has been finished. It's recommending, it's telling users now that he should focus on his node uh, or plan ahead for upcoming classes. Yeah, so this is how this system works. And then from a technical perspective, this application was built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and with a local storage used to store user data, and it is deployed using GitHub pages for public access. In conclusion, I would say that a Smart Student Hub is designed to be simple, functional, and practical, providing students with the tools they need to stay organized, improve productivity, and manage their academic responsibility effectively. Thank you.